Hello guys, yeah, we meet yet again. Today's video is about me renewing the front of my mini twist. Yeah, it's been 2 weeks and I'm trying to do something different in the front. I think I'm just going to do a normal braids. I'm not going to do another cornrow. So here, this is me taking out the cornrow, just the front. I'm not in the mood to do this whole head. It's okay. So this is me after washing my hair, washed everything. Yeah, that will come another day. So yeah, it's time for some moisture. So this is some Miss Naturals leave-in conditioner. I think that's the last. It's done. I need to buy another one. Hey. And then I go in with my butter, Miss Naturals hair butter. And last one we go in with the oil. Yeah. So I'm going to moisturize the front and then start twisting. Yeah, I thought this was going to take. It wasn't going to take long, but I don't know. I was feeling lazy, so after washing, I sat around. But I have to get it done today. So here, this is me moisturizing the front. And by the way I tie the back, I'm just trying to stretch the twist. We all know Fuzzy, once it touches water, it shrinks. So yeah. So I'm about to start twisting. So here it goes.